When it comes to website hosting, uptime is one of the most crucial factors for any business or individual. So, if you're wondering which hosting service has the better uptime, A2 Hosting or SiteGround, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll dive deep into how both providers perform when it comes to uptime and reliability, and I'll share my personal thoughts on which one you should choose. Stick around till the end, because I'll also recommend a competitor that could blow both of them out of the water. Let's get into it. A2 Hosting, known for its speed and customer support, promises an uptime guarantee of 99.9%. This is pretty standard in the industry, but their reputation for performance is a bit of a double-edged sword. While A2 Hosting has a solid track record with fast loading speeds and decent uptime, it's important to know that not all their plans deliver the same level of reliability. The lower tier plans sometimes experience small downtimes during peak traffic periods, which isn't ideal if uptime is your main priority. Next, let's talk about SiteGround. SiteGround also boasts a 99.9% uptime guarantee, and they've earned a strong reputation for reliability. They have a network of data centers spread across the globe, which helps improve uptime and load times. However, SiteGround's uptime can fluctuate depending on the plan you choose. Higher tier plans tend to offer better uptime guarantees, but their lower plans, just like A2 Hosting, can have minor dips. SiteGround's support team is known for being responsive, and they actively monitor their servers to resolve issues quickly, but occasional downtimes do occur. Moving on to actual performance data, A2 Hosting has consistently hit its 99.9% uptime, but a few real-world tests show that they can sometimes fall short. Some users have reported experiencing minor outages during maintenance windows or unexpected traffic surges, though these incidents are typically resolved within a few hours. It's worth noting that their turbo plans, which cost more, do seem to offer more stable uptime, but you'll have to pay extra for that premium. The fourth thing to consider is SiteGround's performance. SiteGround tends to have more stability when it comes to uptime, but they also aren't perfect. In some of my personal testing, SiteGround experienced brief downtimes, though these were rare and typically short-lived. They use advanced monitoring tools and have a good reputation for responding to issues quickly, which can help mitigate downtime when it does happen. SiteGround's uptime is generally reliable, but for the price, I expected a bit more consistency. Now, here's the thing you really need to know. A2 Hosting and SiteGround are both decent when it comes to uptime, but if uptime is your highest priority, you might want to look at another competitor. After trying all of them myself, I found a better alternative that consistently outperforms both A2 Hosting and SiteGround in terms of uptime. So, while A2 Hosting and SiteGround are both good options, I recommend trying the service I mentioned through the first link in the description. This alternative offers the best uptime, faster performance, and exclusive benefits you won't find with A2 or SiteGround. Plus, you can try it out completely risk-free, with a special offer just for you, our viewers. Take advantage of the free trial through the link below to see for yourself how this service stacks up in terms of uptime and reliability.